Good morning, everyone. Welcome to, why do I always do that? So dramatic. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 9. Today is Tuesday. Wow, I thought it was Thursday. It's only Tuesday. I went to the gym this morning, got ready. I literally need to leave in 2 minutes. I wanted to give a review of that peppermint cocoa. Here, I'll pull it out. I got this at Trader Joe's yesterday to try. I've never tried it. It's the cocoa peppermint flavored almond milk creamer. And I had like a little sip. It's so good. That's so good. It's like subtle, but delicious. So I'm gonna head to work today, and then this afternoon I'm gonna go Christmas shopping, and I'm so excited. So I'll definitely take you along for that, but this morning I need to work until like 12:30, so I'll be back. Hello, I'm back. I just got back from work, and I think I'm gonna do a quick cleanup just because I feel like it's honestly all my mess. Like my shoes are everywhere, the dishes, like we just need to quick clean. And then I'm gonna have some lunch and then head out and go Christmas shopping. I'm so excited. It's like my one time to go shopping for Dylan, and I haven't even been to TJ Maxx or Marshalls yet this season, and I'm like, what am I doing? I just really haven't had time. So I'm gonna do that, but right now we're gonna do a cleaning montage because I need to just like I literally start every clip by saying, all right, ready to go. Oh, there's a baby. I didn't know our neighbors had a baby. It's time to go shopping. There's a few things I need that's not Christmas related, but I'm mostly going Christmas shopping. I'm so excited to go to TJ Maxx and Marshalls. It's really busy. There's a lot of people. I'm overwhelmed. I'm going to get a cart. There's so many people. All I found is space or nice water. Alright, walking out was more than I originally thought, but all good things. I can't show you anything because it's all gifts. I was getting discouraged at first, but then ended up getting quite a bit for Dylan, so that's good because that's kind of why I went out today, because he's not home. I did get one thing for my mom and one thing for my dad. Whoa, things are flying. Wow, it's already 3 o'clock. Oh my goodness, it's starting to get dark. I feel like I'm running out of time, but it's really only like, well, actually it's almost 4. I ordered a gift to go, not to go. I ordered a gift and I need to go pick it up at a store in town. So I'm gonna go do that and maybe poke around and look for a few other things. I also had an idea for my mom, so I might get that too. But I don't really want to be walking around in town like at night. All right, I found a parking spot. Now I'm gonna go get that gift. It's from Otter Creek shop, which is the girl I met in Target the other day's shop. And I'm so excited to see what it is. Secured the gift, and now I'm gonna head home because I'm so hungry. It's only 4 o'clock, but I'm literally starving. New Hampshire's official. I'm literally starving. I'm so tired, and I need to get this vlog up for tomorrow. So I'm gonna head home, and I'm gonna open that when I get home to see what it is. I'm home. It came in this cutest little white bag. I was gonna like rewrap it in here, but it says my name on it, so maybe not, but I'm so excited to see what's in here. It's not for me. I'm still excited because the whole thing is the owner, Lauren, has been like curating gifts. So like you say a little bit about the person you're getting the gift for, and she like hand picks out what to give the person, I guess. Like, you know, curated gifts. This is so cute. I like don't want to open it, but I need to. This is exactly for me. This is exactly what I wanted, but it's not even for me. It's so cute. Disclaimer, Paige, if you're watching this, turn it off now because this is your gift. Oh my goodness, how cute is this? So it's a little dish towel with these little frillies, and it's black and white. So cute. And then this gorgeous wooden spoon, and this bow and a bell. What else? Oh, there's a little bit of pampas grass. Is that what that's called? And then what is this? Oh, chocolate. Mass tea chocolate. Cute. Organic cocoa beans, organic cane sugar, organic cocoa butter, organic milk, organic black tea, organic vanilla, 50% cocoa content. Huh. I've never seen this before, but hopefully she will like it. It's so cute. So go check out Otter Creek Home. They have like different price points for these curated gifts, and I might need to order another for someone else. Now I'm going to start dinner, even though it's pretty early, but I'm so hungry. I'm snacking on some chips, and I'm gonna make sweet potato and green beans for myself. So I need to start the oven because it takes 500 years to heat up. Our tree was on when I got home. I love Christmas. Also, I was thinking about it earlier. Not early, I was thinking about it on my way in because the radio said that there was 17 days till Christmas. And not to like go off, but I'm gonna go off for a second. How come people get so upset about people starting Christmas and like holiday stuff before Thanksgiving when y'all get 3 months of fall and we get 25 days of Christmas? Just think about it, because I thought about that and I was like, okay, I'm making one of my favorite dinners tonight. It's so simple. I just did a little sweet potato, some green beans, some oil, salt and pepper, garlic salt. I'm gonna put that in the oven for like 20 minutes and then I'll check on it. And then I'll also do just one of these spicy jalapeno chicken sausages. They're so good. We like cut them up in really like small bite-sized pieces and just put them in a skillet and heat them up. It's so good. Okay, this is the final product. It took like, the potatoes were in there for 30 minutes and these were like 20. I took these out at like 20, and then this is just one chicken sausage. So I'm gonna go eat this and then start editing. Alright, I almost forgot to end the vlog again today. I'm uploading tomorrow's video right now, and I'm gonna have a little snack. I just have some yogurt and some fruit, and then I'm gonna go to bed. So I'm gonna relax and watch some VLOGMAS for a little bit, brush my teeth, go to bed. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please subscribe down below. I'll see you tomorrow for another day. Bye!